Good Monday morning to you out there. We are on our way to our one and only job of the day. It's going to be a pool cage and driveway. And it's only 5.5 miles from here. So that's all good, right? And then we'll pass right by the bank, wheel on in there, make our first deposit for the week. Then we'll come home and we'll start doing stuff around here again. Okay, that porch is almost all done. Got to start on the other side now, you know, the front side with the roller. The rest of the hard part's over. All right, so we'll see you at the job, and let's get after it, shall we? And don't forget to check out the tip test I did yesterday. And congratulations to the tall reach tip. It won yesterday. Who knows if it was wind or whatever, but we'll be doing some more testing just to make sure. All right, let's get after it. Okay, look at the foggy lens, huh? Air conditioning, and then you bring the camera out into this humid, rainforesty Florida weather. Here we are at the first job. Got a paver driveway, not too bad. Straight shot. We're gonna get some weeds out first, which is gonna require turbo action. This morning, we'll take a walk over here and take a look. You can see the weeds. I can see them. They're everywhere. They're everywhere. See? Stuff like that. Go ahead and get this stuff out of here. Get our trusty three-legged friend, the tripod, set up for all the action. Okay? Maybe we'll get a good short video out of this today, huh? I don't know why this thing is on X. Anyway, here we go. Let's get after it. All right, let's take a closer look at these weeds before we get started. They're all along here. Then we got these rocks too. So the turbo is actually going to push some of these rocks away from the edge for me. Not going to disturb the air that they got there, but all these weeds got to go. Okay. Go up there by the door. And we got this here. I'm guessing it's a frog. He sits up there all night. I wonder if he's even up there. I don't see him, do you? He could be. I can't see up there. But anyway, you can. All right, and I see a lot of dirt has got to the bottom here. And then we'll turbo tip it right out of here. Till I get that sludge sucker one of these days, all right? All right, let's get after it. Okay, let's have a look real quick. It's all SH down. All the weeds are gone out of the pavement, out of the cracks. This thing's going to get a few shades lighter. It's going to look really nice. Now, I lost one of these one time because I set it somewhere because I didn't finish the job. When I'm done with this, and when you're done with it, put it back where it goes or else you're going to lose it. $158. Lesson learned, let me tell you. All right, we'll be right back with the mini Mondo action, and this thing's gonna look popping. All right, let's get after it, shall we? right, there you have it. I thought it was going to go that way, but it fooled me and it went all the way down there. You see it? All right, now we're going to get around this pole right here, but let's take a look at the driveway. It came out nice. All the weeds are gone. The pavers look really nice and clean. I went ahead and did a sample on the gutter up here and the soffit. Because, you know, when you're slow, you got to try and sell the jobs. You see how dirty the soffit is right there in the gutter? That's how it looked out front. Now all the frog stuff is gone off the floor, off there, and off the perch, okay? Always clean the mat. Look how nice that looks. All right, let's get around to the back and get this pool cage knocked out. We'll be done for the day, all right? It's gonna be a good job, all right? Let's get after it. Okay, let's have a look at the pool cage. There's a lot of this mossy stuff growing in the cracks. Hasn't been done in a while. The fascia and the soffit up here. See how all this is discolored? Got a lot of weeds in all the cracks. So we're gonna come back here with the turbo nozzle and get after it. We got some stuff out here on the back too. All right, well, we'll step out. The outside doesn't look bad. Not too much. There's a lot of dirt and stuff along that railing up there. You can see it. Just really dusty. All right, we've got a lot of weeds. All right, so we're gonna, let's go ahead and turbo it first. Then we'll SH. Then we'll get after it. I don't think I see any mold over there. That's oxidation over there. All right. Let's get after it, and this little clock's gonna go flying. Stuff like this. Make sure you take stuff like that down, you're gonna break stuff. All right, we'll be right back. I got a new battery in the camera. We'll be back to get after it. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is get the outside real quick with some SH. And then we're going to go on inside and get after it. All right, so we'll be right back. Let's do it. Now we got the outside all done on both sides. We stayed away from them flowers down the other end, and we had to move a box of those marigolds, whatever they are. I think that's what they're called. The outside's all done. Got some SH all over the pavers on that outer edge. Now we're going to take this bad ride right here, and we're going to get after these weeds that are all in here everywhere. Just better go ahead and get after it with this. Then we'll try to keep some of it out of the pool, but when it gets that bad, you never know what's going to happen. All right, let's get after it. Got all the weeds out of the cracks. It looks like a big mess back here, don't it? Muddy everywhere. Minimal got in the pool, some got in. I mean, there's still going to be a little bit more gets in maybe. But look at the mess we're making back here. The homeowner's probably going, oh my god, but it's going to look beautiful when I'm done. So nothing but to get after it, right? Let's do it. Now, what y'all been waiting for? The satisfying runs. Let's get after it. that's going to be a wrap. Look at them pavers. Nice. Whole cage came out nice. The windows are clean. All the boogers are out of the paver except for this one right here. That's it. Now you see me with the ball valve rinsing everything out. Still got a little bit more to go there. Just hit just a little bit more before I walk out of here, and we'll be done. All right, let's get after it. Hey, 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 that's the end of the day. It turned out really, really okay. That's what I say. Hey, listen, that's a regular customer there. Appreciative regular customer. Monday morning, first job, $50 tip. You know, people appreciate you, man. It's great. We did some extra stuff on that monster, man. That pool cage pavers were full of them snotty, you know, those thick, moldy, mossy, algae, ookie gookie. They look like little snakes when they come flying out of there. Anyway, really good job on that pool cage. He's happy, happy, happy. And we're done for the day, all right? Tomorrow we got a driveway in the morning, pretty good size one. And then I got a house wash. Then the following day I have a mobile home, a pool cage, and a nice sized driveway. So it's a nice ticket day for Wednesday. Thursday, got a nice big job, house, pool, driveway. And then on Friday morning we got a nice big pool cage to do. So, you know, we got work for the week. Nothing for the following week yet. But we'll start booking that up. I'm sure by the end of today I'll get some more calls. Alright, I'm Don from Super Blast Pressure Washing. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and do that. Ring the bell, be notified of all the crazy pressure washing stuff that goes on over here at Super Blast Pressure Washing. Remember, get after it, and we'll see you tomorrow.